So let's see if we can start one real quick. Look at there. Hey guys, what's going on? It's T-Car. Today I'm going to do a little bit of cooking. I'm going to show you all this stuff. I've got some things laid out, but I'm going to really show and talk about a knife that was made for bushcraft, but I'm going to bring it back into the place that it was originally designed for and came for, and that is the Esee JG5, which is a butcher style knife. So we're going to play around with it, not in the outdoors, in the kitchen, do some chopping, do some stuff like that. I got some raccoon to cook up. Guys, stay with me. I think this will be a lot of fun. All right, guys. Again, we're playing with the Esee JG5. It's made out of 1095 high carbon steel. It's full tang, which means the blade goes right through the entire knife. It's really thin, and I think it's going to do a really phenomenal job of slicing and cutting and doing all that. So what we're cooking today is we're cooking some raccoon. And I'll show you guys some of that, but yeah, this thing's chopping right through this carrot. No big deal. So for this recipe, it's pretty easy. Just chop up some carrots, I'm gonna chop up some onions. I think it's gonna be good. All right, let's see how she does. Groovy sensations. So I'm just gonna quarter half of these bad boys. And yeah, this is where this thing's really kind of shining, is that blade, that rounded blade. Oh man, this bad boy's shine. And to be honest with you, like it's like, oh, that's nice. I'm gonna cook this probably for about 6 hours. That raccoon's gonna be fall off the bone. And if y'all don't know, that's okay. But that thin blade makes for a great knife. Now everybody thinks they gotta have this huge survival blade. And this works in that function, but it's not, like, it's a good all-around knife, man. It's just got that belly right there, just, that makes it real nice. So from what I've heard, the key to this bad boy is with these raccoons is cook them low and slow. Now I've had this raccoon brining for about, golly, since Monday. So about 3 to 4 days, and that's now Thursday. So we're just gonna find out. All right, I'll go ahead and dump that into the slow cooker. All right, this is that meat that's been brining. So I got that. I'm just patting it down. Oh, good. It's got no gamey smell to it or anything like that. I honestly want to show you how big a raccoon haunch is. It is huge. And, you know, this is a huge, huge piece of meat off that raccoon. That's that whole raccoon haunch. So I'm telling you, I mean, my good, it is a good piece of meat and a big piece of meat. So we're gonna get that bad boy patted down a little bit more and dry it out. We'll put some Old Bay salt, pepper, Old Bay. It'll be tasting real good. All right, folks, here's what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on it. Turn that bad boy on low and let it do its job.